Here I'm going to try out this Flitz stuff here on the side of the bumper stop. That's pretty impressive. That was the before. After. Still got a little bit to wipe off of there, but that's just the first coat. Boy, that's reflective. So what do you think of the Flitz, Oz?
I love it. It's great.
It's definitely shining up nice. This was the before where it's a really dull, water spotted and dirty. Yeah. And I can read the battle born sign in the background. Still got a little bit more. A little of that black stuff on there, but it comes off if you wipe it. Keep changing to a clean microfiber towel.